Changing your verification method on Venmo is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your settings. Step 1. Open the Venmo app. Launch the Venmo app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Go to Settings. Tap on the menu icon, usually located in the upper left corner of the screen. From the menu, select Settings to access your account preferences. Step 3. Select Security. In the Settings menu, find and tap on the Security option. This section contains all the security-related settings, including verification methods. Step 4. Change verification method. Look for the two-factor authentication or verification method option. Tap on it to see the current verification methods you have set up. Choose the method you wish to change and follow the prompts to update it. Step 5. Confirm changes. After selecting your new verification method, Venmo may ask you to confirm the change. Follow any additional instructions provided to finalize the update. Once you have completed these steps, your verification method will be successfully changed. Make sure to test the new method to ensure it works properly.